Hi friends, it's Maya coming to you with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make easy apple crisp only 8 minutes in the air fryer. So the first thing you want to do is get some apples that's almost the ending of its life. Look at this. You notice that this apple is coming to the ending of its life. You just want to cut off that part, right? And what I do is cut the apple in quarters first. I usually peel it. You can use as much apples as you want to, or as little apple as you want to, okay? Make this your personal dessert. You're going to love this because I love making easy apple crisp. It only takes 8 minutes. Okay. You can mix the apples as well, my friends. I have a Granny Smith here, and I think these are McIntosh or Red and Delicious apples. Just use up whatever apples that you have. You can mix them if you want to. And then when you get them, just chop them up in chunks. Right? Just slice them up in chunks. Right? I love my apples like this. And I have some here already that I've chopped up from, this is the Granny Smith that I've chopped up before. So I'm just going to mix mine. So you do not have to mix yours. I find McIntosh or Red Delicious makes really good apple pie or apple crisp. And the Granny Smith helps with that tardiness, and it holds up. You know, it holds up under heat. Meanwhile, the McIntosh or the Red and Delicious, it really softens up while it gets it really softens up under heat, right? So this is a great way to use up the apples that has a short lifespan, right? That's what you do. So let's go over to the next part of it now. Guys, I have my air fryer here, right? I have my air fryer bin here, and I have shells for the air fryer. These are just wax paper for the air fryer, and it just fits in nice like that. So my friends, this is when you get fancy. I'm going to add some cinnamon to this. You can add as little ingredients to this. I'm going to add salt to this because I like the taste of salty and sweet together. And I'm going to add some brown sugar. Now, I don't measure anything, my friends. I measure with my heart, like that. And I'm going to grab some flour. I'm going to sprinkle some flour over it, my friends. This is what's going to crisp it up. And when I'm doing this, I like to taste the sweet and the salty and everything mixed in, right? So I'm just going to stir this up a little bit, right? And right, you can add some more sugar. Like I feel like I want to add some more sugar to it. Yeah, I'm going to add maybe, because I like mine sweet. This is just a teaspoon of sugar, a sprinkle of salt, some cinnamon. So my friends, for this apple crisp, anything that you would put on an apple pie, you put in this bad boy, okay? I'm going to put dollops of butter on there. And that's all you need, because this is where the magic happens. So this is my apple crisp going in. And honestly, my friends, as I said, 8 minutes, right? So I'm going to turn this on. I'm going to bring this down. Eight minutes. Okay, and the magic is going to happen. Oh yeah, this is what it looks like, my friends. This is what it looks like, right? So then, ooh, I'm going to get my ice cream. I got one. I got nice 2 healthy scoops. And then I got my apple crisp, my friends. This is what it looks like coming out of the oven after 8 minutes. You can't go wrong with this, my friends. I'm going to give you a close-up of this because I want you to take a look. All right. Right. Nice, crisp apple crisp. What? Look at it, babes. Look at it. And this is what I throw over my apples. And that's basically it, my friends. This is simple apple crisp. I love it. You get sweet, you get tangy, you get salty. Oh my goodness. You get a little crunch from the sugar. It's really, really is delicious. Go out, my friends, try it and let me know what you think. Only 8 minutes in the air fryer. Honestly, guys, this is such a nice warm treat for your belly. You're going to love it. Go out and try it and let me know what you think. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again in the next video.